Welcome to Legacy Land.
I'm living in a legacy land, modernizing whatever I can while the past is always chasing me.
Pretty excited about this. I brought an electric sousaphone. Did you forget yours, or?
You might be asking, all right, how do these help me out in Legacy Land?
Automate everything, and if necessary, use code.
There's actually another really cool feature that came out. It's called CPU Boost.
Let's take a selfie of the whole room.
Everyone say app sheet!
App sheet.
I found some code that caused me physical pain.
Google itself is actually turning 25 years old.
At this little startup called Google, it was really hard to beat the bandwidth of a Honda full of hard drives.
We have to simplify.
So we got to talk about security.
Got to talk about security.
There was a 0-day vulnerability in a little open source Java library called Log4j.
Thing seems ideal with weird acquisitions coming into the fold and temporary fixes that are 10 years old, but still we're shipping something real here in Legacy Land.
But let's be real, you're slinging containers, you're tweaking release pipelines.
This is a minor security incident that happened yesterday.
It's actually generated by Duet AI.
Here we go. We've actually got an app. Yay.
What?
We just shipped a web and mobile app, and we mostly use natural language, right, to describe it.
Now we're ready to see how the world of data is changing.
Testers, I like to think of those kind of like cryptographic Pokemon, and I'm going to collect those along the way.
This spring, my team wrapped up one of the biggest data migrations in the history of the planet.
Here's where it gets fun.
I mean, I can bring in data from Apache Iceberg now if I want to.
We always want to make sure that we can build experiences that are more personalized for our customers.
I'm living in a legacy land.
Everybody take a minute to appreciate what just happened.